Hello friends, welcome again to Jiku Diaries YouTube channel. Who isn't a fan of Sunil Chetri, the ace Indian football player who announced his retirement from international football earlier this year? He is the fourth highest scorer for a country, 94 goals, only behind Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Iran's Al Day. Sunil Chetri is also a popular sportsperson across generations and is also a close friend of Virat Kohli. Both of them play for the Bangalore French franchisees, Virat Kohli for Royal Challengers Bangalore in IPL and Sunil Chetri for Bengaluru FC in Indian Super League. Sunil Chetri's Bengaluru FC currently topping the ISL table 2024-25 and he is the joint highest scorer with 3 goals scored so far in this league. Well, I caught up with Sunil Chetri on the sidelines of him being revealed as the brand ambassador of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, along with Mary Kom, the ace boxer. Sunil Chetri spoke about learning from other sports stars, his association with Virat Kohli, and also in the general chat with the audience at the announcement. He also spoke about leadership qualities and also had some interesting stories to share with. Let us listen to Sunil Chetri. Sunil, we heard Mary Kom say a lot about calling you brother and all that. You follow boxing. How much do you learn from other sports?
Oh, a lot. There's some absolute champions there, man. Especially in our country. One is sitting over here. She just said that after having babies, she still wanted to go and be world champion. I have the privilege of knowing that, seeing her on training grounds and stuff like that. It's unbelievable. It's amazing. You know, when you do a little bit well in your life, like I did, and then suddenly you see someone like her, and you think, oh, there is so much more to improve. So I think superstars like her in our country are someone who really encourage me, and I try to learn as much as possible.
And how do you put that into your sport and anything that really has helped you in the past?
Just when you sit and think that if she wants so badly things after being who she is, and there are many others in our country who are still vying and fighting for things to be achieved. It's unbelievable. So I think apart from the way you train, apart from trying to improve every day on training, when you meet superstar like that or read things about different people, it really encourages you.
And we all know about your special relationship with Virat Kohli and how much he follows you and you follow RCB in particular. Some of the traits that you take into your game or he takes into his game, anything that you can share?
Game, I'm not sure. We play different games, but
yeah, that's true.
I like him. He's a genuinely nice guy who works really hard, who is very humble, who wants to improve every day. Again, one more superstar like her. So yeah, I mean, and also we talk a lot about different stuff. So I wish him all the very best.
And anything that you all wanted to do which you could not do, say probably play overseas, play professional football overseas, or you just missed the bus narrowly, isn't it? Or
I don't think about those things now.
Okay.
I live a absolutely brilliant life, so I don't want to have any regrets.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you.
What do you think is the difference? The skills, the hard work, or the attitude and the mind?
I get up the next day, I keep going. And that's the only thing that I want to leave you with. Get the next day up, keep going. The day is bad. कंबल ले लो, समय से ऑर्डर कर लो, जो भी सुकून देता है वो कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, रोने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है, थक गए हो हार गए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उस दिन कंबल लेके सो जाओ, कोई इशू नहीं, नेटफ्लिक्स देखो, कुछ गंदा खा लो, एक दिन से फ्रॉड नहीं हो, नेक्स्ट डे गेट अप एंड गेट इट अगेन. द गारंटी इज कि आप जीतोगे, गारंटी नहीं है, यू विल फील गुड अबाउट योरसेल्फ. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज आप फिर हारोगे थर्सडे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, फ्राइडे रोल कंबल ले लेना, समोसे खा लेना, सैटरडे संडे मंडे अगेन ट्राई डूइंग, क्योंकि थर्सडे फिर हारोगे, एंड द लाइफ गोज ऑन, वेदर इट्स फुटबॉल, वेदर इट्स बैंकिंग, वेदर इट्स लाइफ. You're not going to win every day. The fight is, at the end, जितने हारे हो उससे ज़्यादा दिन जीतना है. That's the fight of life. The first time that it happened when I did not get the work permit in England for KPR. The next day we had an Eric Cup final where NT Pradeep scored the goal, and that's the first time we won a very important tournament in Delhi. So थोड़ी देर रोया, थोड़ी देर परेशान हुआ, थोड़ी देर खुद को ब्लेम किया, उसके बाद पूरी दुनिया को ब्लेम किया कि सबकी वजह से मेरा लाइफ ऐसा हो गया. And thankfully everything matched up, so I had to switch on. Match हुआ, Pradeep scored that excellent goal, Adam Waidkar, we went mad, we rejoiced. और उसके बाद ठंडा हो गया. उसका फिर ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आई, जब 10-12 बार ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आई, जब रोया और पूरी दुनिया को ब्लेम किया, ये सर्कल चलता रहा, फिर ये चीज़ समझ गया कि अब मैं थक गया हूँ. कितनी बार लोगों को ब्लेम करोगे कि उसकी वजह से हो गया, इसकी वजह से हो गया, उसकी वजह से हो गया, क्योंकि रिजल्ट तो कुछ नहीं मिला ब्लेम करने के बाद. ब्लेम तो कर दिया कि उसकी वजह से, उसकी वजह से, उसकी वजह से, तो अच्छा तो हुआ ही नहीं. एक बार किया, 2 बार किया, 3 बार किया, आप लोगों ने किया होगा, आप लोग शायद थके नहीं होंगे, थक लो एक बार, सबको ब्लेम करके. तो सबको ब्लेम करके थक जाओगे एक बार, सब समझ में आ जाएगा मैं किसी और के हाथ में है नहीं, जो भी अपने हाथ में ही है, जितना भी हो सके. So after that I stopped cribbing over these things. And also I'm fossil, I've played long enough to get abused and to be down a lot of number of times, so I've understood it now. And I'm pretty sure of you, the leaders and the ones who have been in this field a lot many years, you also know this. So after a point, thick skin था. उसके बाद जे होवे देखे दे. That was the thing. And my favorite goal, sir. In my head, I want to say goals against Bhagan Mohan Bagan, but that's just to, dash you off. But I won't. I think the first goal that I scored against Pakistan in Pakistan, first time playing for the country, will probably be the goal that I'll take with me to my grave. The right answer is I did not. I did not think I'm going to be a professional footballer. I did not dream that I'm going to be captain my nation. It wasn't there. I was playing because I enjoyed it. I was playing because it was fun. In my head, professionally, I thought, because my dad, my uncles, they're all from army services. So I thought that I will try my best to get into army or some services. That was my whole agenda. I never thought that I'm going to be a professional footballer. Also now if you ask any kid, how can you be a professional footballer? They can tell you, him or her, the blueprint. It's quite understandable and it's out there. कि आप ये करोगे तो यहाँ पहुँचोगे, ये करोगे तो यहाँ पहुँचोगे, ये करोगे यहाँ पहुँचोगे. When I started playing football, which is 60 years back, it wasn't there. The script wasn't there कि अगर आप क्या करोगे तो कहाँ पहुँचोगे. It wasn't there. So मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं कि मैं professional footballer बनूँगा. I was just playing because I enjoyed it. On the hindsight, I'm so happy that I was like this. Because nowadays I go and meet kids and their parents. The kid is 11 years old and the parent asks me, कब बनेगा मेरा बच्चा? Come next Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, Mirza Banega. I wish I could tell them that there is no blueprint. There isn't. In sports, there isn't. So good that I did not have those kind of dreams. Good I was playing because I enjoyed it. And whenever there is tough time now in my life, when things are not going well, I remind myself the same thing, कि जा दोस्त खेल because you love it. At the end of the day, गाली वाली pressure वैसे एक तरफ, just go because you just love it. And soon it will end. And then I just go and enjoy it. So on the hindsight, I'm thankful that ये सब pressure नहीं था, सोच नहीं थी कि इंडिया खेलना है, बड़ा प्लेयर बनना है, पैसे कमाने था ही नहीं ये सब. ये तो सब by product है, ये आ गया. I just played because I enjoyed it, I loved it. Sir, eventually winning is what gives me happiness. अगर आप उस मोमेंट में पूछेंगे तो of course I will choose कि 90 मिनट में 4-0 जीत गए, घर चले गए. No one wants कि भाई 90 मिनट भी खेला, रिजल्ट भी नहीं आया, पेनल्टी भी होना है, मिस कर दो तो आप 3-4 हफ्ते 5 हफ्ते के लिए विलन हो, और अगर बड़े मैच में मिस करते तो आप साल के लिए विलन. No one wants that. Sometimes it happens. But at that moment you're not thinking anything. At the end of the day you want to win. To run parallels with the bank, you have 1 year target कि आपने ये numbers match करने हैं. आप वो 2 महीने में match कर लो या 11 महीने में match कर लो. It will probably not matter in about 3 years. What will matter is हाँ हमने ये target set किया था. As a team we reached the target and was fruitful. Same thing with the matches also. जिस दिन penalty miss करता हूँ उस दिन लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया खत्म हो गई है. जल्दी फटे और मैं अंदर चले जाऊँ. But after a week you understand that it is. And also what helps, sir, and I hope you find again a parallel. I have missed many penalties. I've missed thousands of goals. That's why I've scored 400 goals. That's why I'm here as a brand ambassador. That's why I'm so good. तो जब भी आप कुछ गलत करें, आपके बॉस को गाली दे या कुछ टारगेट मीट नहीं हुआ, रिलैक्स. It's one day. You've lost one day. Tomorrow get up, get at it again. That's life is. आप हर दिन नहीं जीतोगे, no matter who you are. Utkarsh Bank is going to be the best bank in the world in future, but you're not going to win every game. You're not going to win every day. Relax. अगले दिन आएगा, what it again, and you will win again. जब गाली खाओ, मेरे याद रखना, मैंने बहुत गाली खाई है, सब गाली खाएंगे. Relax. You will win again. So don't stress.
Our director Shri Kajal Ghosh.